welcome back to another video. Oh, you're really high up today, aren't you? So I've got a couple of new Born Pretty colours. So these three are from their Neon Luminous. These are glow in the dark. So I've got 07, 04 and 06. And I've also had sent over a base coat and a super top coat. These are in the bigger 10ml bottles. This super top coat, guys, is my favourite top coat. It doesn't scratch, it doesn't buff. I do try and save this for my own nails, but I do time to time use it in a video. Absolutely fantastic top coat. Ask anybody that uses it. Once they use it, they stick with it. It is fantastic. So anyway, I'm gonna give these a quick swatch, just a very quick one, and then I'm gonna do a quick design with them. Let me get some swatch sticks. Right, yeah, there's these glow in the dark ones. There's 10 in the collection. They've got a macaron glow in the dark collection as well. That's really nice pastel colours. They glow in the dark. I've got a 20% off code as well, guys. It's a good one. It's always in my description box with a link to the website. Right, so what we got? I'm just gonna. Oh, we've got a pink. Right, I'm just gonna fly through these and then we'll go straight into a design with them, eh? Right, guys, so that is them swatched. Oh my gosh, I love that pink. I like them all, actually. I like all three of them. I do. So that is the super top coat. Look how glossy that is, guys. I absolutely love it. Right, shall I turn my lights out and see how they glow? Oh my gosh, you could use these as torches. Look how bright they are, lighting up my kitchen roll, my desk. Oh my gosh, they are so bright. Wow. I am well impressed with the glow on them. Well impressed. Wow, I can't believe that. How cool are they? They are bright. They are probably the brightest glow in the darks I have got. I've never had any that glow that bright, especially them two. They glow like crazy. Right, so shall we do a little design with them? It's only going to be somewhat quick. So I've got my Ready Guana handout. I'm just going to give them a quick base coat. I'm using this base coat because I don't need to open a new one yet. I've still got some left in this. So let's give these a quick base coat. Right, so I'm going to need another colour. This is from their Macaron Glow in the Dark collection. So this is glow in the dark as well. And it's a perfect creamy colour, just what I needed. So I'm going to use that as well. This is going to go on the middle finger and the pinky. So I'm just going to do 2 even thin coats. Right, and this pointer finger I'm going to do in pink. Right, and lastly, this ring finger is going to be black. Right guys, we're going to do a really easy, simple design now on these cream coloured nails. I've put a little blob of all the colours on my palette, and we're just going to do a bit of leopard print. So we're going to start with splodges. I want them quite big, I don't want them too small. I'm going to start with splodges. You don't need to worry about shape, size, anything, just splodge it on, and I'm going to do that with all three colours. Right, I'm just going to go over these with a matte top coat because I want to go around these splodges with an outline, and they're a bit lumpy bumpy, and I want these nails to be matte anyway, so matte top coat, and I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. Right, so now I'm going to use the small end of the dotting tool and just outline these little leopard spots. Right, and now what I'm going to do is something I've never done before. I'm going to use a detailer brush. I'm going to splay it out just slightly on the tip, and I'm going to just pull tiny little bits of this pattern down. You want your brush dry though, you don't want your brush clumped up, or else it will pull it down in clumps. You just want tiny little feathers, tiny little thin brush strokes coming off it. I'm going to do that going down on all of them, and then I'm going to do it again going up on all of them. Right, I'm going to stick that in the lamp. Now I'm going to give it 60 seconds because some of these black bits are a bit thick, and I'm going to do the same on that one as well. Right, so that's them out the lamp. That black has still got a tacky layer on, and I'm going to put, this is, I don't know what this is called. It's in the pigment section at HCS Nail Art, and it's just ultra fine gold dusty stuff. And I'm just going to use a teeny tiny, nope, not that one. I'm going to use a teeny tiny little brush because I only want a teeny tiny little bit. I'm just going to put tiny little bits into the tacky layer. Not the whole nail, just little bits. I'm going to stop talking now because I'm blowing it everywhere. And that's it guys, that is literally all I want, just little dots of the gold. So I'm just going to dust that off now, get most of it off, and I'm going to use an old top coat to encapsulate that. Right, I'm going to stick them in the lamp and I'm going to give them a little buff because they're still a bit lumpy bumpy. So they've been buffed just to get them a bit smoother. So I'm going to get these. I'm using matte top coat on these ones. Matte top coat them, stick some gems on, and that'll be then finished. Right, so I've just pulled out some. I'm just going to use some of these transparent gems, and I'm going to use a neon pink gem and some good old caviar beads. So let's get these finished.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes.
There we go, guys, that's then finished. I think that's a really quick, easy, simple design to do. I like it. I think I would have preferred normal leopard print without these swooshes, but I like it. I like the tiny little gold flickers. I do. Cute. I love this matte top coat as well. This Born Pretty matte top coat. It's a good one. It's not got that rubbery and satin kind of. Yeah. I really like them. I think they're quite cute. Really quick, really easy. Yeah. If you've got a gel polish and a dotting tool, that's all you need. But anyway, guys, that is it for today. So that is the colours there again. I'll leave pictures at the end of them glowing. That glow was crazy, weren't it? Look at that glossy top coat. Super top coat. It's amazing stuff, it really is. But anyway, guys, that is it for today. Don't forget, I've got a 20% off code. It's always in my description box with a link to the website. I'll leave links to these below. I'll leave links to the macaron collection as well, because that's a cute one. But yeah, please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Hit your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And hopefully, I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.
I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say